Mahjong is a game of strategy invented in China. There are 4 people in the game. The rules of Mahjong differ from one place to another, but basically, the goal is to choose to put a specific combination together. The goal is to prevent opponents from achieving the same goal. Mahjong emphasizes skills, strategy, and calculations. It also involves a lot of fortune. Compared with poker, it is more combination. People need to predict a result by analyzing probabilities. In Eastern Asia and Southeast Asia, Mahjong often seems like a gambling game.
Mahjong is a gambling game in Taiwan. People usually play it on Chinese New Year. It is a leisure activity. Mahjong's fundamental elements are chariots, circles, bamboos, north wind, south wind, east wind, and west wind, and red dragon, green dragon, and white dragon. If you want to win this game, you will continuously use your wisdom to learn how to ease and pound. Everyone has 16 cards in Taiwanese Mahjong. It has 4 positions, 1 dealer and 3 players. Some people who have better skill will try more complicated types to win much money. To sum up, if you want to win, you must have luck and good skills.
Mahjong in Japan is a professional game. We can watch the professional game on TV. Japanese Mahjong rules are similar to the Taiwanese Mahjong. However, there are 3 different rules. The first rule is floating, which means player can win the game with the card, which is discarded. The second rule is win by 1 point, which means player can win the game without 1 point. The third rule is Dora, in which a point can be added to a player. Every player has 3 cards. In Japanese Mahjong, there are no flower cards. People often calculate points with sticks on Japanese Mahjong, and most of the time, it is not gambling in Japanese Mahjong because it's a professional game.
Okay, after understanding Taiwanese and Japanese Mahjong, let me introduce the difference between them. First, we can easily find 2 differences between Taiwanese and Japanese Mahjong from the appearance. Each player of Taiwan Mahjong has 16 cards, and there are flower cards, whereas each player of Japanese Mahjong has 13 cards. And there are no flower cards for calculation of points. The point stick doesn't use in Taiwanese Mahjong. As for Japanese Mahjong, it's more special. It is calculate point by sticks. Taiwanese Mahjong is more accessible and you need more fortunate. On the contrary, Japanese Mahjong is more complex and more professional. In conclusion, Taiwanese Mahjong is often a gambling game or a leisure activity, but Japanese Mahjong is a professional competition in Japan.